back to Life with Zoe. So today I'll be transforming myself into Harley Quinn. So as you can see, I've already started the Harley Quinn look because it takes a while. But I want to show you guys how you can transform your own self into Harley Quinn. Let's get on to it. So what you'll first need to do is have a brush like this, if you can see it. It brushes your eyelashes. It does. People say it doesn't, but it does. So I need to look in the mirror. Brushes all over you. Brushes your eyebrow. So I have another brush now. Put it back in the packet so you do not ruin it. This does not look like it's good. Okay, so now what we'll be needing to do is to add True Blend. It is a liquid makeup base that like covers up stuff. So right here, as you can see. So I'll just blend this on me. Just not too much, because you don't want to waste it all. It looks kind of funny. So now I'll be using my hand since I do not have a beauty blender. Yes, yo, I think you all think I do, but I don't. Guess it looks kind of weird, but just how I blend. Okay. Almost done. Here we go. So now what you'll be needing to do is you might need a parent to help you. So I'll be just right back and get my parent to help me.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I just came back from the little assistant. As you can see, the button is backwards because the camera is facing the mirror. So we have the heart and then we have the pudding. So now what we will be doing is the Mary Kay mascara. I almost didn't know what that word was. Here. Okay, one. Perfect. So I have my mascara on. Now, what I'll be using the color matte, and I'll be using this for blue, and I'll be using this color for the pink, reddish, pinkish. So I'll be using it's not a brush. Well, it's a brush, kind of. It's a brush and a I don't know what to call it. A little fluffy thing. So on this side, I'll be using it for the blue. It does not look blue, it looks purple, but it's blue when I put it on. I'll show you guys. Okay. Does it look like I'm applying it? I am. It's like a little bit. So I think I see I have some blue on my eyelid. Good. Now I'll be using the white side for the pinkish reddish. It does not look.
Oh, I didn't get it. I was trying to zoom in on your face.
Okay, so pinkish reddish.
Awesome.
And yes, my dad is behind the camera. Supervision. pinkish and reddish gold kind of. And this one here. Sorry for the noise in the background.
Got morning house chores going on right now.
So now because you have to color my nuts.
Which we should probably tell everyone, do their part, do their chores, right? Listen to your mom and dad.
Do your chores, listen to your mom and dad, and do not disobey them. Yeet. Funny names from Zoe. So I'll be. Yes, I think we're at the last stamp. Everybody, it's the lip stamp. So I'll be using the e.l.f. lip stain. Probably looks backwards. Just to outline it, so I know where the red goes.
Ooh, Daddy has an idea. You know how Daddy has the webcam looking down? You could use all the products in the future. We'll set up a mirror at the computer, and you could use all the webcam looking down, and we'll get the products on it, and then we'll have this camera set up looking at you, and we'll record you straight on.
So now I'll be using the Expert Last Lip Color NYC. Looks backwards probably.
Yeah, because it looks like the camera is focusing on your face as well. So it wasn't, yeah.
So this is a Expert Last NCY. So let's put it on. I'm not putting on makeup. Okay, guys. Well, this is how my outfit is. This is how my outfit ended up. So as you can see, I have the boots. She probably doesn't have boots, I don't know. As you can see, it has like a little chain. Sorry if it's all sandy because it's ground. And then I have the shorts. No, it's not red and blue. It's just blue. Then I have the shirt of Harley Quinn. And then here's the face. I want you to get a quick look up of the pudding if you can see it. Then I want to see if you can see the pink and blue. Sorry if the bat does not look like the normal bat because I want to make a video of decorating it. Well, guys, I want you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye. Harley Quinn's out.